gang, Jose was still in vessel Reverie, back to finish up the bulkhead. So today I had to remove the balance of the veneer. So today I had to remove the balance of the veneer so I can create a clean surface to epoxy the bulkhead sister piece. So I just got done doing that. Basically just used a heat gun and a scraper, and with that I was able to just finish removing the little bit that was left. So next I'm going to screw the fill plate in place and epoxy that, and then back into that the full board and epoxy that as well, and then we'll give it a couple of days to dry up before we tab it over to the side of the hull. So let me show you where we're at. All right, so I have Carmen here, my wife, my beautiful wife. Say hi. She's helping me seal the edges on this side, and then I'll go over on the other side and spread out whatever came out, and we'll keep doing this until we have a nice seal from this side on that patch board, and we'll show you the rest once it's done. So sorry I couldn't show you the how we put this board on, but we kind of needed all of our hands and couldn't hold the camera to get a shot in here. But basically what we did is we took the sister piece and we made a mix of epoxy with a filler, and basically looked like kind of a runny peanut butter, and we put it between the original bulkhead and this one, and then stick the board to each other and put screws to support it. Once we did that, we basically did another batch of thickened epoxy and fill in the edge against the hull, so that way we have a nice contact all the way throughout, and we're giving it a couple of minutes to dry before we tab it in by adding additional fiberglass. Okay, so we now officially our new bulkhead sister piece. Excuse me. So here's the final work. We have our new bulkhead is epoxy to the old one through the entire surface. Then we have a tab on the end, and I put a little bit of a tab on this side just to keep any shifting down to a minimum. There's a little shim down on the bottom to completely square it against the liner. And now we're ready to start rebuilding the galley. So I started marking where I need to put supports. I don't know if you can see the line in there, and here, in order to have our shell for our new refrigerator. So that should be coming in on the next episode. All right, gang, that's it for our bulkhead rebuild. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our videos, please click on the link below and subscribe to our channel. And we look forward to showing you what the galley is going to look like once we get done with it in the next episode. See you soon.